Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Exodus wallet. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer crypto from Binance to Exodus wallet. First, you have to open the Binance application and then go back and open the Exodus wallet application and then find and click on Receive option after that copy. The address of an asset, like I'm copying address of Ethereum after copied. Go to the Binance application and go to the search and type send, and then click on send. After that, choose Ethereum and then enter the address you copied from the Exodus application and are done. So, this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that. How to transfer crypto from Binance to Exodus wallet. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.